What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm so welcome. See, in life we have choices. I had a choice. Today. I had a choice between eating a healthy banana or turning it into a healthy comfort dish. See, people need to understand the difference between a want and a need. I mean, I want a nice body, but I need banana pudding. So I needed to satisfy these cravings all while eating some fruit. That's genius.
Aha! Aha! What do you know from funny, you bastard?
We're going to make banana pudding with a twist. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need is some vanilla extract. It doesn't matter if it's a brand name or whatever supermarket brand you have. Some Carnation sweetened condensed milk. You'll also need some French vanilla jello, but make sure it is the instant kind. And also Cool Whip. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. Then you'll need some Vanilla Wafers, bananas, a mixing bowl. Instead of milk, I decided to use almond milk with vanilla and a hint of honey. And lastly, a portable mixer. In the bowl, I added the pudding together along with the condensed milk, vanilla extract, milk, and mixed that all together. I placed my pudding in the refrigerator for about 25 minutes. So as the pudding was getting cold, I then decided to pick my bananas, peel my bananas, chop them up, and start the prepping. Did you know that the browner the bananas, the sweeter they are? This is where it achieves its highest antioxidant levels. I didn't want all brown bananas, so I did medium brown, just so it could have that sweetness, but then also I didn't want to take away from the banana pudding color. I then placed my Vanilla Wafers in the pan and decided to flip them over because we want the cookie to last, so we want them to remain as hard as possible. The harder the crunch, the tighter the core, or whatever my personal trainer told me. So I layered those one by one, of course. Then I took my bananas and then placed them on top of the cookies. By then, my pudding was ready, so I then took that out the refrigerator and I then layered my pan. And you're going to continue this process of layering with the Vanilla Wafers, with your bananas, and then the pudding for each layer. So in between each layer, don't forget to add your Cool Whip. I was able to achieve about 3 layers of banana pudding. Although you weren't able to see that, I did decide to step off camera and continue the layering process. So I couldn't find my scraper spatula that I used to ice cakes. That would have been a lot more easier than using spoons. As you can see, I transitioned from a wooden spatula to a bigger spoon. But it's easier to spread and it looks a lot smoother and looks a lot neater. So if you don't have the spatula, you can use a spoon like I did, the back of a spoon. But it's preferred to use a spatula. Girl Scouts honor, I promise, even though I did get a bigger spoon, I did not lick the spoon. I didn't. So here I'm just showing you how it looks to be layered. So on my final layer, I did save a few of my vanilla cookies to the side, and I used those as crumbs to give a nice garnish look to the top of our banana pudding. So I wanted to be fancy, so here's a twist. It really was no extra twist to this banana pudding except for the French vanilla taste. But the extra twist was to add a strawberry at the top. Okay, I needed to get my fruit embedded into this dessert. It makes me feel better, and that way, technically I'm not lying to my personal trainer that, I didn't eat my fruit today, but I did, okay? I had to finish it off with a little bit of whipped cream. It's dessert, guys. I mean, who's judging? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and a part of Soul's Creation. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. If it ain't soul food, it ain't soul's way. Ding! No, wait. Whatever.